Okay, guys. Here for all entry, sorry, union all, right. So here two times I'm writing the select query, but the data is saving in the single internal table, and that too I'm maintaining in the second select query. That internal table I'm maintaining the second select query. And so we need to consider one thing here. By using for all entry, I mean by using union all or union concept, we are maintaining something fields in the first select query, right? So same fields we have to maintain in the second select query also. For example, I'm not maintaining material number in the first select query. At that time, if I check it here, it will throw some error. Okay, the number of elements in the fields union must match. Okay, so means in the first select query, how many columns are there? How many fields I am taking? Same fields I have to maintain in the second select query also. So otherwise, system will throw error. That's what it is showing here. Okay, check it here and activate it here. Click on execute it here. Okay, and double click on this LDBB AP and double click here. So if you see here L001 is coming, the material type. Okay, I think the second condition I have maintained, right, so that value is not available in the table level. Let me check that one also. So this is a ZTMN I'm giving here. So let me check this material group is available or not in the table level. BBAP. So MATKL is coming here. I'm just passing that value. Click on number of entries. So there is no records. Okay. So that's why the value is not coming for this one. So I will change something value here. So MATKL. So some 7,000 is there. So I will consider 7,000 here. Then it will work fine. Okay. So let me execute it here. So instead of this ZTMN, I am giving something 7,000. Just activate and execute it here. So now something records are coming. 61 records are coming. Previously 50 records came. Now 61. So 7,000 also coming now. Fine. So this is the way to add the union and union all. Here union and union all. The difference is we can give here union also. So let me activate it here and execute it here. So double click here. 61. Same records are coming. Okay. So the difference is if you use something union, then it will not allow any duplicates here. Okay, so here the VBELN post are two key fields are coming. So key fields means there is no duplicate. automatically it will saying like the value will be unique here. Okay, but in some cases we will get something non-unique field key information we have to fetch. So at that time we should not consider the duplicate values. At that time we have to go for union. Okay, so that's fine. If you want to maintain some duplicates also, no issue. At the time you have to maintain union all. Okay, it will depend on the customer. Okay, so the customer will ask you, so I want all the records, even though the duplicate records are available, whatever it is. So I want to display all the records. At that time, we have to take union all. Otherwise, we have to take union. Okay, so that is the difference, union and union all. Fine. So I have something class. So I want to declare something object for that one. I will have to create something object for that one. So at that time, what we have to do? We have to declare the object. Okay, data obj something. Okay, the class name we have to maintain here. Okay, so I have created one class here. Let me open it. JCL underscore customer. Okay, so just click on display button here. I'm maintaining two methods, get customers and constructor. Okay, two methods I'm maintaining, and here I have to declare an object for that one. Okay, sorry. So here I have maintained something type ref2. Okay, so after that one we have to create the object. Right? So this is the way to declare the object and to create the object here. Okay, so instead of declaration, these all things, we can do one thing, that is data. Okay, data object type object kn1 is equal to new, the class name I am passing it here, and the open brace and close brace need to give here. Okay, so let me check it here. So there is no issue. Fine. So in a single shot, we can declare and we can create the object in a single shot. Okay, now I want to call something method. Okay, here something get customers is there, right? So I want to call this method here. So how can we call? So object kn1. Okay, and after this one, if we give something control plus space button, it will show that list of the methods. Okay, and here it is showing only one method because I have maintained one constructor and one method. Okay, constructor is special method, so that is not showing it here. So if you want to call that constructor, you can call it here. Okay, so I am just calling normal method. So I am just giving shift enter here. So at that time it is coming all the importing and exporting values here. Okay, so here I am using something pi underscore land1. This is the input field here. Okay, we have to export something country key. We have export to this method. Okay, so for that one, I will take one variable here or one parameter. I can take here parameters p underscore land1, type land1. Okay, the same thing I'm applying it here, p underscore land1. Okay, and after that one, we have to get something values. Okay, I'm sending this p underscore land1 to this method, and in this method something calculation, something functionalities will go on, and after that one this method will give something output to us. That output I am saving in one internal table, right? So actually we have to declare one internal table how this how this e underscore kny1 is there. Okay, just go to that uh, class method get customers and click on parameters here. So here e underscore knya1, this is the exporting parameter. Okay, exporting parameter, and if you see here the associated type is tt underscore customers. Just double click on it. So tt underscore customers type table of ty underscore knya1. So this is the structure here. Customer number and the name and the ORT01. These three fields I'm maintaining it here. So if you want to declare, I mean, we have to pass one internal table here, lt underscore kny1. I'm just passing here. So before that one, we have to declare this lt kny1 by using the three columns: customer number, name, and city. Sorry, land one, country key. Okay. So instead of that one, directly I can write here data of. Okay, data of lt kny1. Okay, now let me check it here. Okay, it is working fine. Fine. Now, for example, here I am maintaining something. Just double click on this land one. What is the data type and length for this one? Character length. Length is character 3 is coming here, right? So what I will declare instead of this land one, I will declare like char 4. Okay, char 4 I am declaring here, but the land one is a character 3. So let me check it here. So it is showing something p underscore land1 is not type compatible with the formal parameter I underscore land1 means. So this in this one I underscore land1, if I open it in the class level, I underscore land1. Okay, that association type is land1 I am maintaining means character 3 I am maintaining it here. Okay, but here by passing the value p underscore land1, character 4 is coming. So the type conflict is coming. Character 3 is equal to character 4, right? So in this case, we can adjust like okay. Okay, fine here. Give something space. Let me check it here. Okay, now it is not showing anything. Okay, it is not showing anything. So at runtime, what it will do? It will convert this p underscore land1 to how much the data type and length is there for this I underscore land1. So to that data type and length, it will convert it here. Okay, at runtime only. So if you double click in the debugging level, just activate and execute it here. So I am giving something India is the land one. Click and execute it here. And if you see here land one will be character 4 only. Okay, if you see here character 4 only is coming for square land one. But while sending the data to this method, at that time it will convert the p underscore land1 to character 3. Okay, this is a background job. It will convert by using this conv. So it will convert this p underscore land1 to character 3 at runtime in the debug, I mean in the background. Okay, so this is the way to declare the instead of declaration object and internal tables in the class level, we can do like this. And one more thing, and where is it? The class. So this is the class, right click on back button. The constructor is coming here. So constructor, we not required to call it externally. Okay, here I am calling the method objkn1 get customers, right? So after that one, it is calling here, right? But constructor, it's not like that. Automatically, it will call whenever we activate. Whenever we have created the object at that time, automatically it will call here. Whenever we execute the program at that time, automatically the constructor will call because we have created the object for the class. So at that time, what will happen? For this constructor, I am giving something. Where is it? So this constructor just give on parameters here. So I'm just giving something I underscore land1. Okay, I underscore land1. I'm giving as the variable for this constructor. So automatically it will call. Then how can we give this value? Okay, how can we give this value? By using the syntax, this syntax. Okay, so here data of objkn1, I am just creating the object here. So in the open brace and close brace, we have to write the I underscore land1 is equal to so something p underscore land1 or something value. You can take here whatever it is. You can give something variable, parameter, whatever you can take it here. Okay, click and check it here and activate it here. So this is the way to pass the variables, to pass the values to the constructor. Okay. And next one is I will take something. Control break statements. I think all of you know about this one, control break statements. Okay, some events are there in control break statements at first, at new, at end of, at last, like that, right? So here the requirement is I want to display something sales order number. Okay, and how many items are there? Okay, how many line items are there? Okay, so in the internal table, the sales order, it will display something, all the information. The first line, sales document number 123, the item number 10, and the material is material 123. On the second line, same sales document number, but the different item, 20 item is coming. The second material number. The third line, the sales document number is coming, the different one. Second sales order number. Okay. In the third line, second sales order number is coming. So line item 10 and the material 1. So like that it will come, right? So at what line the sales order is changing? Okay. So that number also I want to display here. Okay. At what line the sales order number, new sales order number is coming here. Okay. So after that one, I want to display something material number. Okay, material number and the quantity. Okay, so this is the uh, requirement. Okay, the end user is asking like this. So material number and quantity I want to display, but before that one, I want to display some sales order number and some how many line items are there. Okay, how many line items are there and the line number. Okay, so in the first line, the first sales document number is starting. Third line, second line item number is starting. Okay, so in that way, I want to display the data. Okay, so if you want to achieve these things, then in control break statements, we have to use events, attenuate, okay, and attend off like that. We have to use it here. Okay, so instead of those all events, SAP is providing one concept group by. Okay, group by concept is coming here. So let me write the select query on top of VBAP select VBELN post now matnut KWMENZ. This is the quantity field. Okay, so I am just maintaining 4 columns here, and from VBAP into table. Okay, let me check it here in syntactical error. Fine. Now I want to display the data in this format. Okay, in this format I want to display the data. First loop the internal table. To put LTVBAP into LSVBAP. Okay, end loop. Here I have to apply something group by. Okay, instead of the events, control break statements, events, I will go for group by. Right. Something group by, I'm just maintaining it here. And after that one, we have to apply the name. Okay, so the group by name, we have to apply it here. So group name like GB. Okay, GB. Let me check it here. This syntactical error. Fine. LSVBAP is unknown. Okay. Hey. Okay. Syntax is group by into something. 1 minute, guys. I will check the syntax. 1 minute. I did not use this one. Okay, so loop at internal table into work area and group by. and okay, fine. Size index, fine. Ascending into, okay, fine. Let me check it here. So this is data of LSVB fine. Group by, here we need to give something. Key is equal to, so what I'm writing here, I will let you know. VBELN, and the size is equal to group size, and index is equal to group index into, let me check it here. So VBELN, I have maintained it in the VBAP actually, but ls underscore VBAP from the work area I'm just maintaining. Let me check it now. So the GB is unknown, right? Into, okay, fine. I will give something data here. Let me check. Fine, now it is okay. So I will explain you what I'm writing here. Okay. Rupert group GB into data's ls underscore GB. End loop, fine. Take it here. Fine. Activate. So what I'm writing here. So Rupert LTVBAP into LSVBAP. So this is the common thing. And here newly I'm writing group by. Okay. Group by, and here into data GB. Okay. So for that group, I'm maintaining something name. Okay. So that group I'm maintaining something name as a GB. And here I'm just maintaining, I'm giving something input to this one. Okay. So some key field is there. The key field, key one is equal to VBELN. Okay. In this internal table, the key field information, I'm just passing VBELN. Means VBELN post now and mat now quantity. Okay. So VBELN equal to 1 to 3 and the item number equal to 10 and material equal to M1 and the quantity equal to 180 and same 1 to 3 is coming here and the 20 is the item number and the M2 is the material and 220 is the quantity, same 30 M3 and 890, okay. And 1 to 4, this is second one, okay, material 1, okay, and 1 to 4 only, so 20 quantity M2 and 1 to 5, so 10 and M1. Okay, so something it is taking like this, and now what I'm doing, so key I'm taking here. Okay, key I'm taking here. So if you apply something at new, okay, at new VBEL like that you can take here, right? Means, so we are considering this sales document number. Okay, at new event we consider this sales document number. So when it will trigger, okay, at new when it will trigger. So each record, first line of each block, okay, or first line of each group. So here 1 2 3 is coming, so 3 lines is coming here. So this 1 2 3, how many lines are coming? This is considered like one block or one group. Okay, this 1 2 3 three lines are coming, so these 3 lines belongs to one group, and this 1 2 4 belongs to one group. This 1 2 5, how many records are available? Those all records. So for example, this 1 2 5 is coming in the. Okay, so here 1 2 3 says document number 1 2 3, three items are there. So system will consider like one group. Okay, and 1 to 4, two records are coming. It will consider like one group. And here 1 to 5, here total 6 records are coming. This is one group. So like that, system will divide the data into some groups, some blocks. Okay, some blocks. So a new event will trigger at the each, first record of each block. Okay, first record of each group, right? So here also same thing I am doing here. Instead of this attribute, I am just using group by. Okay, so group by I am maintained here, but on which field we have to group it? I want to group the data based on the VBELN, right? So that's what I'm passing it here. Key 1 is equal to LSVB Okay, so based on VBELN, I want to group the data. I want to block the data. Okay, and here size is equal to index is equal to, you can get it at runtime. Okay, by in the debugging you can understand it one. And I'm dividing this data into GB. Okay, so this 1 2 3 block is coming, 1 2 3 group is coming, right? So this total 1 2 3 information will pass into GB. How many records are available? 3 records are available. These 3 records will go to GB. Okay, internally it will work like internal table. Okay, I am just grouping these 1 2 3 sales orders into one group. That group name I am just giving GB, group by, or you can give any name here. Okay, LT underscore GB, internal table. Fine. So it will come to the next one, 1 to 4, two records are coming. These two records will go to this LT underscore GB. Okay, after that one, here total 6 records are coming for 1 to 5. This 1 to 5 total 6 records will go to this one, LT underscore GB. Okay, so let me write this one, the code I will write, then you can understand. Write LT underscore GB. So it will work like with header line concept. Okay, LT underscore GB. It will work like with header line concept, means the internal table name, the work area name, both will be same here. LT underscore GB hyphen key 1. Okay, and I want to display something group size, right? Line count. Okay, line count is equal to how much group size. Let me check it once again. And the line number where it is starting. Line starting. Okay, line starting at index. Okay, size something syntactical error here. Okay, so the data will come into the GB, right? So I will take here GB only, LTGB hyphen find. So LTGB hyphen index find. So here I want to display something material information, LSGB hyphen Mathner, LSGB hyphen quantity, right? KWMENZ. Let it enter, save it, check it, activate it. Okay, and where is this one? Select query, right? Where KWMENZ is not equal to 0. Okay, just I'm giving something condition KWMENZ is not equal to 0. Fine, let me check it here, activate it here, and I will keep the breakpoint here and execute the program. Okay, just executing LTBBAP. Here, total 322 records are coming. Okay, 322. Just double click on it. The data is coming like this. Okay, data is coming like this, and if you see, all zeros 1. Okay, 10 item number 10 is coming. Material quantity is coming. Fine. All zeros 4 5. Okay, fine. And if you see here, I want to get know any duplicates are there or not. Okay, so if you see this 5 is there, sales document number 5 is there, 3 numbers are coming. Okay, 10 20 30, 3 items are coming, and the KWMENZ 222 is coming. Okay, for each line. Okay, and document number 11, 2 records are coming, 1 is coming. And if you see 26, 10 and 22 line items are coming, and the quantity is 1 and 2. Okay, fine. So now what it will do here, I will take the screenshot of this one. See, the class will continue. Okay, for more, I mean 5 minutes up to 5 to 10 minutes like that. Okay, and you can use the same link to connect the class. So now so snipping tool, so copy it and paste in paint. So this is the data now. Okay, this is the data now. So what I have written in the here, okay, and here